Well, are you ready to plant garlic? If that's a yes, then I would suggest the time is right now. Hey plant lover, how are you doing? Today we will talk about this amazing crop and how to do it right in a container. Yes, you heard that right, in a container. So even if you have the smallest of areas, say a balcony, a window, anything that gets full sun, you're in business. Please make sure you're subscribed, and here we go. Remember, garlic is a forgiving crop. So the idea that you might not have the best soil combination shouldn't discourage you from starting them. A soil that is loose, well drained and nutrient rich should be your starting point. Here, as you see, I'm using 70% garden soil, 25% cocopeat and 5% perlite. So just add layer on layer. Simply make sure the garden soil makes the top and the bottom layer. Also, pre-soak the pot 2-3 times in a span of 3-4 days and let soil recharge itself under the sun with all that water. The bed is all set for the sowing. Take some healthy garlic bulbs, separate the cloves, and then let them sit in a cool and dry place to germinate for about a week or so. I would not recommend starting these cloves in water and then transferring them to soil, because more often than not, it would result in a bad harvest. And I'm sure you wouldn't want that. Now, just to give you an idea, think of a fully grown garlic bulb and then do spacing as if there were 4 of those bulbs in between 2 cloves in the soil, as you can see here. Garlic typically takes 9 months to mature, and the best harvest would be possible if those plants get 6 hours of full sun daily. Plant garlic a good couple of months before the onset of winters, and that's why we are doing it now. It's important to sprinkle water on the garlic springs in the evenings or mornings and give the container a good watering twice a week. Garlic bulbs are ready to harvest in late spring or summer from 7 to 8 months after they are planted. So if you see those springs all green, that means you're doing great. So now sit tight, keep watering it and wait for the harvest. It'll be a good one if you're taking care of it really well. I'll bring in the harvest video too, but that is a long time away. So wait up and start your own garlic crop. In case you want me to share some more information about this, please hit that comment section and we can have a discussion. I wish you great energy and luck. Take care. I'm going to see you again soon. Goodbye.